The Royal Society for Public Health is looking at how British high streets can promote or hinder people in making healthy lifestyle choices. We are here in Preston to find out why it ranked as the unhealthiest of the 70 towns and cities we looked at as part of our Health on the High Street campaign.
I'd say most of the takeaway shops in the town centre are really damaging. You've got fried chicken shops and kebab places. I think those are the most damaging shops around the town centre.
Pound bakeries, pound shops. Yeah. Anywhere that people think they're getting value for money when basically it's just rubbish materials that are put in, not healthy stuff. You go in and it's just pastry with a bit of meat inside.
I think it's the junk food. It's really unhealthy.
Buy the chicken store like this.
Tobacco shops.
Cake shops, sweet shops.
All the burger sort of takeaway ones, yeah, I'd say they are, but I don't think they're very healthy.
Well, it's the prevalence of baked goods and it's the prevalence of deep fried goods.
The most people you find in those betting shops are people who are unemployed and actually don't have the money to spend on such things such as like roulette machines or betting on the horses.
Tanning shops should be banned. I just don't see the point of encouraging girls to look like the only way is Essex and stuff like that.
If it's like a payday, they encourage people to go and bet, and then they'll be betting money that they don't even have yet. So, and then they'll cause them to go look for other things to get money.
I think they can be exploitative. A lot of payday loans, people in poor financial situations that they need money, and they might not be getting the help they need elsewhere.
Well, I'd like to see a better range of food outlets where there's more fresh food available.
More sort of wholesome food shops, perhaps a couple of nice vegetarian delis. Meat always isn't the best option, is it?
Like healthy eating chains, like food places. Because if you think about it, there's no really healthy eating places.
More shops with healthier options for you.
Yeah.
Rather than just pies and pastries.
Tax rebates for healthier shops rather than giving tax rebates for your pound bakeries and what have you. Yeah, they've got to make a living, they employ people, but at the end of the day it's encouraging people to eat quickly unhealthy stuff.
A lot of the good things that I've seen in Preston are when there's good fruit and vegetables and things like that, which are good, cheap, easy, accessible amounts of food, which is good for families. I'm a father of 4 myself, you know what I mean?
I don't think there are any raw food restaurants in the area at all. So that would be quite exciting to see stuff like that, and I think people would be really interested in eating that more healthily.
I'd like to see small food businesses being given tax breaks and incentives to move into the city centre.
Well, what you don't get now is small shops selling fresh food on the high street. You don't get them now. Fresh fish, fresh vegetables.
It is getting worse because of the students, I think, because if you go down Friargate, it's just takeaways. So
yeah. It
doesn't surprise me.
I suppose Preston is not a particularly wealthy town, so there's probably more space for exploitative businesses and things like that.
No, it doesn't surprise me.
No, not surprised.
But we're not involved with that, you see. Come into town, go to our favourite cafe. Don't go to betting shops except once a year. It's the Grand National.